Welcome to the exciting world of blockchain consensus algorithms. Ever wondered how all those computer nodes reach consensus on information? It's time to dive in. Meet Proof of Work, the OG of blockchain consensus. Miners using POW compete to solve a mathematical challenge, and if two win together, the system opts for a longest chain rule. But beware, if bad actors control over 50% of the power, they could control the network. Now let's meet Proof of Stake. Validators put up coins as collateral to confirm transactions. Say goodbye to energy-hungry mining. Ethereum 2.0 and Polkadot have already embraced this. But remember, only up to 33% can be mischievous. And there's Proof of Authority, where reputation matters more than coins. Solana's got proof of history, while Trust Environment's power proof of elapsed time. So there you have it. Different consensus algorithms, each with their strengths and security considerations. Blockchain's future is diverse and exciting. Visit certic.com/resources to learn more.